Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own mixing medium. And you might be thinking, well, what is mixing medium? What is that for? You can use mixing medium to make your own eyeliner by using pigments or eyeshadows. And you can also use mixing medium as a setting spray. And it's going to be like the moisturizing, refreshing type of setting spray, not the kind that's going to lock your makeup into place. This is going to be more of the moisturizing type, like MAC Fix Plus, the original formula. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make mixing medium, and I'll give you a little demo too. All you're going to need is glycerin and purified water. So here's my purified water, and here's my glycerin. This is exciting because, I used to buy this years ago at Rite Aid, but they closed all the Rite Aids in my area, and the ones that are left are going to be shut down any day now, I saw on the news. So CVS, this is Beauty 360 is CVS's brand. Now, they're not going to have this at every CVS. You're going to have to go on the CVS website to find out which stores have it, because in my area, maybe 1 out of every 5 CVS's have this. So I had to go a little bit further to get it, but it's worth it. And this was, with the tax, I think it was $9 and change. But this one bottle is going to last a long, long time. Okay, so that and a bottle of purified water is all we're going to need to make this. It's so simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dump this whole bottle into a glass. Oh no, it's not going to fit. I'll have to drink some. Okay, now why did I do that? Why did I dump that whole bottle out? Because I just want the empty bottle. And I don't want to use one that I've drank out of, because your mouth is a very germy place, and when you are drinking out of a water bottle, you're redepositing bacteria back into the bottle. And if you wash a bottle with soap and water that you took out of your recycle bin, now you're introducing soap to the equation, so you don't want to do that. So you just want an empty bottle that has just had water in it that you have not drank out of. Okay, so now we're going to need another bottle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this one up. And I'm going to very carefully take the cap, and we're going to use this as our measurer, okay? And we're going to put 3 capfuls of water into our empty bottle. And then we're going to take our glycerin, and I just bought this at CVS, like right before starting this video. So first I have to go get a knife to remove the safety seal. Okay, I've removed the safety seal. So I'm going to put the cap back on, and I'm going to use the flip top portion because the cap that I'm using is quite small. And I'm going to fill the cap with glycerin. And pour that into the empty bottle that has nothing but water in it. Okay, so you're going to do 3 parts water and 1 part glycerin. And put that cap that we just used to measure in here, and you're gonna shake it up real good. And make sure you label this because you don't want any accidents. You don't want anybody in your house accidentally grabbing it thinking it's water. So make sure you label it. It's very important. Okay, so mix it up really good. And now I'm gonna go grab something else. Okay, so now you're gonna take either a pigment or an eyeshadow. And if you're using a pigment, make sure that it's one that's eye safe, because some pigments are not eye safe, some pigments are not lip safe. So this one I know is eye safe. It's called Chromium Green, and I purchased this. This is not one of my PR ones. I did purchase this. And this is a matte green pigment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyeliner brush. I'm going to give my mixing medium another shake. And I'm just going to pour a little bit into the cap. And I'm going to dip my eyeliner brush into the solution. And because I'm very accident prone, I'm going to set my brush down and dump this back into the bottle. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wet eyeliner brush and dip it into the pigment. And just pick up a little bit of that pigment. And I'm just kind of pressing it against the inside of the container till I get the right consistency. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this right on the lash line and just run it along. And voila, I have Chromium Green eyeliner. Yay! Now you can do this also with any eyeshadow, just by putting this in your eyeshadow. But look at that! Isn't that cool? So now you can make any eyeliner that you want using a pigment or an eyeshadow. And you can also put this in a spray bottle and make your own setting spray. And that bottle of glycerin is going to last a long, long time. And it has, I was going to say it has a long shelf life, but I don't know where the expiration is on there, but I'm sure there is an expiration date on the bottle. But yeah, isn't that cool? So now you can make your own mixing medium. So I have Chromium Green eyeliner now. Yay! So I hope that was helpful, and I hope some of you try this out, because I won't have to buy any more eyeliners now. I wish I had thought of this before I bought that burgundy eyeliner, although it is a very nice eyeliner that I showed you in my last video. But yeah, now I can make any color that I need just using eyeshadows and pigments. Bye, thanks for watching.